أشهد
أشهد
أن لا
أن لا
إله
إله
إلا
إلا
الله
الله
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن
أن
محمدا
محمدا
عبده
عبده
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
I testify
I testify
that there is none
that there is none
worthy of worship
worthy of worship
except
except
Allah.
Allah.
And I testify
And I testify
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his messenger
is his messenger
and his servant.
and his servant.
And Jesus Isa
And Jesus Asia
is his servant
is his servant
and his messenger.
and his
Allahu Akbar.